And today's Power Hour is featuring my husband right here.
Hey guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video. It is a Power Hour. So today is a special video. So today I'm collaborating with Kiera, 50 Shades of Mom, and we are doing a Power Hour together. So this is our second collaboration together in less than a week. So I am super excited about this. So if you have not subscribed to Kiera's channel, you definitely need to. She does a lot of cooking related content. She also does Dollar Tree hauls. She also does grocery hauls. She is one of the creators of the YouTube playlist cookbook, and she is just an awesome friend. So definitely go and subscribe to her channel if you haven't already. And if you're new to my channel from Kiera's channel, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I post a lot of money saving content, but I also throw in a lot of hauls and mommy related things as well. So today we are teaming up together to do a Power Hour. So basically the Power Hour is you make a list of everything you want to get done in an hour span. You do not watch any TV, you don't engage in any social media, and you just get your list, you tackle that Power Hour list. So now let's go ahead and get into the Power Hour.
Okay, so this is what is on the list. So I need to give the dogs a bath, apply their flea medicine, vacuum the couch, lint roll the couch, vacuum the stairs, fold laundry, and schedule the donation pickup. So,
and feed them their ice cream.
So I have 60 minutes to get this done. So I'm going to go ahead and put the kitchen timer on, 60 seconds. Here we go. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna ask my lovely husband if he can make a little extra eggs for me so I can have something to eat after this Power Hour.
Okay, you guys, so it is 80 degrees out today, so it is warm. My hose has been sitting in the sun all day, so this water is warm. So no, I'm not spraying down my dog with cold water, and it's California, so it's hot. So I need to apply Charlie's flea medicine. So before I do that, I need to give him a bath, and I prefer to do this outside in the backyard because I have a 70-pound lab, and it's just easier to just go ahead and wash him down outside. Porter, on the other hand, I had to put him into the shower because he wanted no part of it. And yes, I do have a tattoo. It's right there. That is compliments of being 21. And now Scarlett points at it and says, "Mommy, you have a heart on your back. Can I have one?" Oh boy, that's another conversation. So Charlie's being so good during his bath, and I just get this flea shampoo from PetSmart. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply Charlie's flea medicine because it is that time. And then every good boy gets treats after a bath and a flea medicine. So I actually got these on clearance at PetSmart. So if you have one local, definitely go and check it out. And Porter, he is such a prince here. He needs me to walk his treats to him. So that's what I'm doing. And I even got them new collars. And did you know that the Dollar Tree sells collars? I got Porter's collar from the Dollar Tree as well as Charlie's. So now they are sporting brand new collars and they are nice and clean. So now that the dogs have gotten their bath, it's time for me to go ahead and vacuum the couch. So I am on the hunt for my vacuum for Black Friday. So comment below which vacuum I should be picking up. Right now the front runner is going to be the Dyson V6. So Target has it for $189. So that's the vacuum that I am thinking of picking up. So definitely let me know if there's another vacuum that I should be keeping my eye on.
I'm to you, when I'm near 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 to you. Breathe, I'm trying hard to breathe when all I think about is you. Then I ask myself why I tend to overdo. I'm free from slowing down, I glow and my nerves get on. I scream once in a while. I push down the reasons why. I want you to know, want you to know why. I want you to know, want you to know why. If I had to leave, yeah. I want you to know, want you to know why. I want you to know, want you to know why. If I had to leave, yeah. I want you to know why. And I'm with you.
Okay, comment below if you can add professional laundry clothing folder to your resume. I swear, the laundry is like never ending in this house. So I wanted to go ahead and use this time to share with you guys a few deals for laundry. So CVS has them on sale for $4.94, and we have those $3 P&G coupons that you can use. So it'll make the laundry detergent $1.94. And what's cool about the CVS deal is if you have the CVS app, you can go ahead and just clip a digital coupon to your CVS card, and then it's automatically taken off at checkout. So I have a video explaining how to use the CVS app if you don't know how to use it. There's also a nice Target cartwheel for the Tide Pods, and I believe it's 20%. Check out my Target in-store video to verify that one. And then you can pair that $3 coupon from the P&G with that Tide deal over at Target. So I thought I would use this time to chat about laundry. But always and forever, my favorite laundry detergent is the Mrs. Meyers in the lavender scent, and you can get this from the Grove website. So add some Mrs. Meyers laundry detergent to your order, and then you can get a free Mrs. Meyers set. This is such a fantastic deal, you guys. And my secret to the laundry and keeping on top of all of it is just don't let it pile up. So once the laundry is done and out of the dryer, I fold it and then I immediately put it back to where it goes. So this takes a little bit of time to do, but as long as you stay on top of it, then you're not going to be needing to do laundry all day long, which is not something I am fond of doing. And then I'm putting my dish towels back. And then I also decided to go ahead and wash my throw pillows on my couch since I did give my dogs a bath. So I'm loving these Mrs. Meyers fragrance boosters. This is also something that you can go ahead and get off of the Grove website. Alrighty, so we are just about done with my list. So I'm done folding the laundry. Now it's time to schedule the donation pickup and a little tan man break for you guys. Here he is. Isn't he so cute? He's almost 6 months, you guys. Look at him, he's just so cute. All right, so I'm going on to pickup.org, and this is a great service if you need someone to come and pick up donatable items. So I'm just going to go ahead and schedule my pickup. So I have about a week to get my collection together for donation. I have finished my power hour. Are you impressed that within an hour's time I was able to give the dogs a bath, apply their flea medicine, lint roll and vacuum the couch, vacuum the stairs, fold the laundry, and schedule the donation pickup. I did that all under an hour.
Did you really?
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you go and head over to Kiera's channel and check out her power hour, and make sure you are subscribed to her channel if you are not already. So I will talk to you guys all later, and if you are interested in a free Mrs. Meyers set, Don't forget to place your Grove Collaborative order. You'll get a free Mrs. Meyers holiday set with your first order. And if you're an existing customer, you're gonna get those free walnut scrubbers. So the last thing that you guys need to do is you guys need to go over to my channel, hit that subscribe button, because we are so close to that 20K mark and CVS is sponsoring a giveaway. So if you want to be entered to win that CVS $50 gift card, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And that's it. Hope everyone had a fantastic Tuesday. I hope you guys all went out and voted, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.